If you store products in more than one place, such as a warehouse, retail store, or fulfillment center, Shopify lets you track inventory separately for each location. This helps prevent overselling, keeps stock organized, and makes order fulfillment much easier. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set up inventory tracking by location in Shopify, even if you're completely new to the platform. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, scroll down and click on Settings at the bottom left corner, then select Locations. This section allows you to manage every place where you store or fulfill products. You'll usually see your default location already listed. To add another one, click Add Location. Enter a name for the location, such as Main Warehouse, Retail Store, or Distribution Center. Next, fill in the address details carefully. Shopify may use this information for shipping calculations and fulfillment. You can also add a phone number if necessary. Once everything is entered, click Save. Repeat these steps for any additional locations you want to create. After creating your locations, you need to assign inventory to them. Go to Products and open the product you want to manage. Scroll down to the Inventory section and make sure Track Quantity is enabled. If this option is turned off, Shopify won't monitor stock levels. Now, click on the Inventory Quantity for that product. A screen will appear showing all your available locations. Here, you can specify how many units are stored at each location. For example, you may keep 100 units in your warehouse and 25 units in your retail store. Enter the quantities and click Save. If your product has variants, such as different sizes or colors, inventory is managed separately for each variant. Open the variant, go to its inventory settings, and assign stock quantities to the appropriate locations just as you did for the main product. You can also move stock between locations. To do this, go to Products and select Transfers. Click Create Transfer, choose the origin location and destination location, then select the products you want to move. Enter the quantities being transferred, and save the transfer. This feature helps keep inventory records accurate whenever stock is relocated. Another important step is setting fulfillment priority. Go back to Settings and then Locations. Here, you can arrange the order in which Shopify should use locations to fulfill orders when stock is available in multiple places. Set the priorities according to your business needs. Finally, place a test order to make sure everything is working correctly. Check whether inventory decreases from the correct location and confirm that stock levels update properly. So to quickly recap, create your locations, enable inventory tracking, assign stock quantities to each location, transfer inventory when needed, set fulfillment priorities, and test your setup. Managing inventory by location keeps your stock accurate and makes order fulfillment much more efficient. I hope this tutorial helped you set up inventory tracking by location in Shopify. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.